to the Peter Lynch Portfolio. This is an overview of YCharts' Peter Lynch universe. They screen for certain qualities like whether or not a stock is a small cap, has a low PEG ratio, has a reasonable debt to equity ratio, and has some kind of a dividend. And if it does, then there's a good chance that it ends up in this group of 35 stocks, which resembles Peter Lynch-like quality. So it's a Peter Lynch Portfolio by YCharts. I've gone through a few of these other company names above, but right now I'm going to be taking a look at PIPR Sandler Co. The ticker symbol is PIPR. Please keep in mind, do your own due diligence as far as like investment goes. I don't know a lot about these companies personally, but I'm going to be just doing a really quick overview of some of them. And PIPR Sandler Co. YCharts gives it a rating of neutral, has a value score of 7 out of 10, a fundamental score of 8 out of 10, and a valuation historical multiple of negative 14.17%. So it's over its valuation historical multiple. The profile says here, PIPR Sandler Co. is an investment banking company. Investment banking services include financial advisory services, management of and participation in underwriting, and public finance activities. It generates maximum revenue from advisory services, followed by equity financing. The company focus on the following sectors: healthcare, energy, consumer, diversified industrials and services, business services, technology, financial services, agriculture, clean technologies, and renewables, primarily focusing on middle market clients. Okay, so it's located in Minnesota. The sector is financial services, industries, capital markets. Has a market cap of $2 billion, a dividend, small dividend of 1.58%. Revenue 5-year growth is 10.99%. Quarterly revenue year-over-year growth is negative 40.6%, so it's not doing great lately. Go figure. It is financial services. Is the story for all these financial services companies. There's actually quite a few of them on these on this like list of 35 stocks, Peter Lynch Portfolio. And I guess if you're a believer in the long term that the stock market will do great over a long enough time period, then this might be a good time to be looking at some of these financial services, because yeah, for sure they've all been suffering lately. But anyways, yeah, EPS diluted quarterly year-over-year growth negative 65.6%. The debt to equity ratio is 0.1249. Return on equity is 18.4%. PE is 23.68. So yeah, just quickly look at some of the key stats here. Net income decreasing. Revenue decreasing. Cash and short-term investments also decreasing quite significantly. Free cash flow. Oh, let's look at the long-term debt. It's been decreasing. That's good. Just taking care of its balance sheet. Free cash flow also decreasing. Shares outstanding 13.7 million, increasing, decreasing, roughly the same. PEG ratio, yeah, no PEG ratio to speak of, no P. The P is 23.64. That increasing, decreasing. Yeah, increasing. Anyways, PIPR Sandler Co. I mean, I don't know a lot about this company. it's a lot like a lot of the financial services companies that just been like hit hard with like what's happening with the stock market. So I don't know. Right now, I don't really have a ton of interest in financial services, but maybe once we're past this kind of like overhang as far as like what's happening with the stock market and everything, it might be a time to come back to it. But for the time being, a lot of these financial services, I'm just kind of steering clear of them. But yeah, if you want to stay up to date on this YCharts Peter Lynch universe, this Peter Lynch portfolio, this group of 35 stocks, check out my website, peterlynchinvestor.com. There's a newsletter there. Subscribe to it, and I'll make sure you get updates routinely on what's happening with this group of 35 stocks, the Peter Lynch portfolio. And or you can also just subscribe to this channel where I'm going to be doing more of these videos. Okay, thanks very much.